Students, today we see the chapter 13 network cabling. In network cabling we are studying about crimping tool. So what is crimping? It is a process of joining two or more pieces of metal or wire by deforming one or both of them to hold each other. So what is crimping? It is a process of joining two or more pieces of metal or wire by deforming one or both of them to hold each other. So what is crimping tool? See the picture. This is a crimping tool. So what is the use of this crimping tool? It is a physical tool which is used to connect the patch wire and the Ethernet connector. What is the use of this tool? It is a physical tool which is used to connect the patch wire and the Ethernet connector. And it looks like a small cutting handle with two mold of Ethernet port. So it will puncture the connector and makes the wire set in the connector. Okay. And then next we study about crimping process. The steps for crimping process for making Ethernet cables. So how to crimp the Ethernet cables? So first of all, see the picture. In the first picture, in the 6 pictures, among these 6 pictures, the first picture indicates cut the cable with desired length. So cut the cable with desired length with the use of crimping tool. Okay. So cut the cable with desired length. Second picture, strike the insulation sheath about 1 inch from both ends of the cable and expose the twisted pair wires. So that wire will be cut down. Strike the insulation sheath about 1 inch from both end of the cable and expose the twisted pair wires. That wire will be coming down now in the second picture. So in the third picture, after striping the wire, untwist the smaller wires and arrange them into the proper wiring scheme in T568B preferred generally. So we have to arrange that in the order. Okay, so the order will be you have to arrange it. So bring the wires tighter together and cut them down so that they will have the same length. So after arranging, we have to bring the wires tighter together and cut them down so that they will have the same length. Okay, so in the third picture it has same length, no, and the next one, in the fourth picture, insert all the 8 colored wires into the 8 grooves in the connector. In the fourth picture, the connector we have to insert all the 8 colored wires. So the wire should be inserted until the plastic sheath is also inside the connector. Okay, and the next step, fifth picture. So using the crimping tool to lock the RJ45 connector on the cable. So it should be strong enough to handle the manual traction. So now it is ready for data transmission. We have to tighten. Okay. So next step, use a cable tester to verify the proper connectivity of the cable if need. So we have to check the cable tester. Have you all understand these 6 pictures? First what we do, first in the first picture, cut the cable with desired length. In the second picture, strike the insulation sheath about 1 inch from both end of the cable and expose the twisted pair wires. So after striping the wire, untwist the smaller wires and arrange them in the proper wiring scheme. So in the proper wiring scheme you have to arrange it. After that, bring the wires, in the third picture, bring the wires tighter together and cut them down so that they all have same length. Okay, so in the fourth picture, insert all the 8 colored wires into the 8 grooves in the connector. So the wire should be inserted until the plastic sheath is also inside the connector. So the fifth picture, using the crimping tool to lock the RJ45 connector on the cable. So it should be strong enough to handle manual traction. So now it is ready for data transmission. So the last step, last picture, use the cable tester to verify the proper connectivity of the cable if need. Okay, this is the priming process for making Ethernet cables. So next one is types of jacks. So before we have to study about these types of jacks, one important thing we have to study the Ethernet technology. Ethernet technology alternative names RJ45 802.3. Similarly, RJ45 connector male, that is also called as RJ45 plug Ethernet connector 8P8C connector. Okay, so RJ45 socket or female, it is also called as RJ45 jack or Ethernet port, and then RJ45 cable is also called as Ethernet cable. So this must be, you have to clear about it. So now we study about the types of jacks. So first of all, what is registered jack? RJ means registered jacks. So RJ45 we studied now. So registered jacks means, what is registered jack? It is commonly known as RJ. It is a network interface used for network cabling, wire and jack construction. Okay, so it refers to the male physical connector, that is called plug, and female physical connector, that is called jack, and its wiring. It is a construction. Okay, and then next, what is the function of this registered jack? It is used to connect the different data equipment and telecommunication devices. So what are the types of jacks are there? RJ11, RJ45, RJ21, RJ14, RJ61 and RJ28. So now we have to study in this chapter we have to study some types. Okay, so the first one, types of jacks la, first one RJ11. So see the picture, RJ11 la, the second one is the RJ11, the first one is RJ45. We already study about the wiring scheme, no? In RJ45 it is 8 wires, it is of 4 colors, and the stripe with green, and then green, orange, and then brown, blue, white with blue, like that. So the same, similarly it has, in RJ11 it has 6 pins. Okay, so it contains 2 wires, so it contains 6 pins. So see the picture, this is used in telephone. We already studied RJ11 is used in telephone and landlines. So RJ11 is the most popular modern form of register jack. So it is found in home and office. Okay, it is found in home and office. So it is mainly used in telephone and landlines. Telephone connection, landline connection, the chinna port irukku illaya, chinna port and then small plug. This is okay. So 2 wire plug means it is small in size. So it is used in telephone and landlines. So there are 6 pins are there, where 2 pins give the transmission configuration and 2 pins give the receiver configuration, and the other 2 pins will be kept reserved. Okay, so whatever after any purpose they have to use. The 2 pin will have positive terminal and the negative terminal also. That 2 pins have the negative, and the same in RJ45. Okay, so positive terminal and negative terminal. So the next one is RJ14. So RJ14 is, the picture is like this. Okay, so what is RJ14? It is also same as the RJ11, which will also has used in telephone lines, and it also has a 6 pin. Okay, and then similarly RJ61. So what is RJ61? It will have 8 pins. This will use the twisted pair cable with the modular 8 connection. Okay, so it has 8 pins, so 8 modular connections are there. And then RJ21. See the picture, RJ21 picture. See this. This is RJ21 wire Ethernet port. Okay, so what is the use of RJ21? It has 50 pins with 25 pins at one end and 25 pins at the other end. So it is also called as champ connector. What is it? It is also called as RJ21 has 50 pins with 25 pins at one end and 25 pins at other end. So it is also called as this picture. So this is also called as champ connector or Amphenol connector. What is Amphenol? It is a connector manufacturer. So RJ21 interface is typically used for data communication tracking applications. Okay. So this cable is used for data communication tracking applications. Okay. Have you all understand this types of jacks? This is an important long answer. What is registered stack and what are the types of jacks? Explain the types of jacks. So important 5 mark questions. Very easy one. Okay. And the next one, next topic, very very important. This is also Ethernet cable Ethernet cable color coding technique. Ethernet cable color coding techniques. Okay. So there are 3 types of wiring techniques to construct the Ethernet cable. What are they? It is also known as color coding techniques. So they are straight through wiring, crossover wiring, rollover wiring. Straight through wiring, crossover wiring, rollover wiring. So how to determine the type of Ethernet cables? See this, how to determine. This is one 3 mark question or 2 mark question. Okay. How to determine the type of Ethernet cable? Straight through. What is straight through? The colored wires are in the same sequence at both ends of the cable. So both the ends, they have colors, wires are same sequence. Here green means there also green. Here white with green means there also, that side also white with green, like that. And then crossover. The first colored wire at one end of the cable is the third colored wire at the other end of the cable. So இங்கே எந்த wire first இந்த சைடில் இருக்கோ அதே கலர் அந்த சைடில் தேர்டாக இருக்கும். So that is the crossover wire. And then rollover. The colored wires are in opposite sequence. Okay. இந்த பக்கம் இருக்கிற ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒயர் அந்த பக்கத்தில் லாஸ்ட்டில் போய் ஜாயின் ஆகும். அதே மாதிரி செகண்டில் இருக்கிறது செவன்த்தில், லைக் தட். ஓகே. ஸோ see the working principle of this wiring scheme. Okay. First one, straight through wiring. See, I already said no. This side also pin 1 white with orange, there also white with orange, orange, like that. So this is a straight through. This is a, what is this pin configuration? This picture you already seen. What is this? T568B. Okay, T568B. Okay, for example, they are giving this picture. Okay, so what is the working principle of this straight through wiring? So first one, these cable wires are in the same sequence at both ends of the cable, which means that pin 1 of the plug on one end is connected to pin 1 of the plug on the other end. Okay, it is for both T568A and also T568B. And the straight through wiring cables are mostly used for connecting PC by NIC card. What you already know, NIC card, network interface card. Okay, so PC by NIC card to a hub. Hub means அந்த இதை போட்டு ஜாயின் பண்ணுற ஒரு போர்ட். ஓகே, ஹப்பு வந்து ஏற்கனவே நம்ம பார்த்துருக்கோம் இன் 3rd chapter. Okay, and then here this is a simple physical connection used in printer, computer and other network interfaces also. So straight through la, there's only one thing, same sequence at both ends of the cable. That means pin 1 of the plug on one end is connected to pin 1 of the plug on the other end. Okay, this is straight through. And the next one, crossover. See the picture? Crossover wiring. So what is crossover cable? We already know what is crossover cable. To connect two computers or Ethernet device directly together without a hub, without modem hub மூலமாக கலெக்ட் பண்ணுறதை நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? crossover cable. So it is a null modem cables are example of this crossover cable. So what is the use of this crossover wiring? The pairs that is TX and the RX pair will be crossed, which means pin 1 and 2 of the plug on one end are connected with pin 3 and 6 of the plug on other end, and vice versa. See here in first picture, this side, left side, that TX plus having, okay, transmitted. So that will be connected in third one. Okay, so pin 1 is connected to pin 3, and then pin 3 is connected to, see the picture, in the left side pin 1 and 2 is connected to here, the other end pin 3 and 6, and vice versa means what is the meaning? 3 here, 3 and 6 is connected to pin 1 and 2, the opposite direction. So that is called vice versa. Okay, so first in the left side ஒரு பிசியில் இருந்து ஒரு பக்கத்தில் இருந்து 1 and 2 பின்னை வந்து அடுத்த பக்கத்தோட 3-6 பின்னில் கனெக்ட் பண்ணுறோம். அதே மாதிரி இந்த பக்கத்தோட 3-6, இந்த பக்கத்தில் இருந்து 3-6 பின்னை அந்த பக்கத்தோட 1-2 பின்னுக்கு கனெக்ட் பண்ணுறோம். ஓகே, see the picture, you already seen this. Okay, so it is the easiest way to make a crossover cable is to make one end to 568A color coding and the other end to T568B color coding. You already know T568A. In book we already seen T568A ல first வந்து white green, அப்புறம் green, அதுக்கப்புறம் white with orange, blue, white with blue, orange, white with brown, and then brown having. Okay, so see the picture in the first one, and the second, that is T568B, orange, white with orange, this side 568B. Okay, so left side வந்து நமக்கு என்ன இருக்குது? T568A, right sideல இருக்கிற பிசியோட இது வந்து T568B. Okay, so this is one. Another one is, remember that this coding, color coding used in this type. Here see, green set of wires at one end are connected with orange set of wires. தெரியுதா? green செட்டில் இருக்கிற வயரெல்லாம் ஆரஞ்சு செட்டுக்கு போகுது. அதே மாதிரி ஆரஞ்ச் செட் ஆஃப் வயர்ஸ் வைஸ் வெர்சா மீன்ஸ் ஆரஞ்ச் செட் ஆஃப் வயர்ஸ் ஆர் கனெக்டட் டு here green set of wires. Okay, so connect with, specifically connect the solid green with the solid orange. அதே மாதிரி connect the green white with orange white. Have you all noticed that? White solid, specifically connect the solid green with the solid orange and connect the green white with the orange white. Okay, so this is the crossover wiring scheme. Okay, while seeing the picture you have to write down. Okay, and the next one, rollover wiring. So what is rollover wiring? Rollover cable is a type of, we already studied null modem cable, and it is used to connect a device for a console part. Okay, so the rollover wiring have opposite pin arrangement. Opposite pin arrangement. So all the cables are rolled over to different arrangements. That is, in the rollover cable, wires are reversed on other end. That is, pins on one end are connected with other end in reverse order. Pin 1 to pin 8, pin 2 to pin 7, pin 3 to pin 6, and then pin 4 to pin 5, and then pin 5 to pin 4, and then pin 6 to pin 3, and then pin 7 to pin 2, pin 8 to pin 1. So these are the reverse connection. Okay, so the rollover cable is also known as yoast cable or console cable. The rollover cable is otherwise called as yoast cable or console cable. So it is typically flat to distinguish it from other types of network cabling. Okay, so it is typically flat to distinguish it from other types of network cabling. So these three, all the three arrangements we are studied now, straight through, crossover, rollover, these are used to perform an interface change, but all the three arrangements transmits the data at the same speed only. Okay, there is no other changes. Same speed alone it can be transmit the data. Have you all understand this Ethernet cable color coding techniques? Okay, the lesson is over. 13th chapter is over. Thank you, students.